These are very unusual times. We have never been, at least in my lifetime or in the lifetime of a lot of people, been asked to stay at home because we have to self-quarantine to avoid exposing each other to the coronavirus. I understand it can be fearful. I understand it can cause anxiety. Connect with others, take breaks, engage in physical activity, take breaks from the news, and reach out for help when necessary. Reach out to friends, and you can do that with technology. You can do that over the phone. You can connect with them, Skype or other ways, video conference. You can take a deep breath and just be present with that breath. And it's a very simple thing to do. Do it a few times. It'll help calm you down, slows down your heart rate, gets more oxygen into your lungs, and provides it to your body. If you are not physically caring for yourself, you are going to have issues with your mental health and vice versa. Getting enough sleep, not necessarily a lot of sleep per se, but definitely getting 6 to 8 hours or what your body needs, and allowing yourself to take a nap. You're home. Why not? When you get information about the status of the coronavirus, it can help squelch the anxiety, and it'll help control the fear because it will allow you to put things in perspective. You can access information from the World Health Organization, from the CDC, and understand truly what's happening. Reach out to your primary providers and mental health providers as well to get support if you need it, whatever situation that you're dealing with, so that they can provide support and give you some other guidance.